Hey guys, today we're playing Disaster Island, and not sorry, this wasn't working for a sec. This game is basically like natural disasters, but see, the only difference is um there's no difference really. Sorry, that line was off the Let's Play Guys video on this. So yeah, I was just skimming through YouTube and I find the Let's Play Guy or Genuine Cows you may call them on YouTube. Made a new video. And yeah, so I decided to do that. Well, I'm just gonna settings are coming soon. I see. My character's flipping like crazy. This is like Maze Runner, like going through a maze, but like it's a maze of flying pieces. Anyway, we've got 21 seconds. Three, two, one. Oh god. So yeah, see, it's like that little island. That's the disaster zone. How do you turn this music down? The music has not stopped. Apparently it's acid rain. Line of let's see, try something. Not right now, because oh stone's good. I'm gonna stay under here. Is this a copyright to natural disasters? No, it's just this. I think this was made first. Maybe that sound is new from Star Wars. Whoa, God no! What I see. Yeah, this is something's definitely copyright. Unizilla! Because he's got a unicorn. He's got a unicorn on and Godzilla. But anyway, oh god, oh god, I died. No, UFOs and Godzilla. Hmm. Does Godzilla team up with the UFO? Let's see. No, he actually fights him. Godzilla aliens. There's like more things the size of Godzilla. Okay. Okay, sorry, my mistake. It's the disaster zone. And that monster is apparently called the Kraken. Looks nothing like the giant squid thing you see in Pirates of the Caribbean, for example. But yeah, exhausted down. I missed this when I was entering. Welcome back. It's not going away. I was just there you go. Tick. Why would I want a jetpack? Why would I want that kind of jetpack? It looks old. Only 2,000 robots. This is one of the most popular games. Oh, music back. Now I'm just going to dance up really. Walk like an Egyptian on top of the pyramid. So, hide. Get what? You say hide? Because if it's high, you're not going to the top. No, I'm going to the top. Come on. No. Yeah. Oh no, this is a bad place to be. Oh wait. See my luck. Wait, that's not it. Yeah. Oh! Too close, too close, too close, too close. Eyes in the sky. Okay, so I'm surviving. Surviving pretty good. Run! Run! Oh, oh god. No, they died. Oh god, that was close. Whoa! I'm glad they're fast, otherwise they would die. Anyways, 2 seconds left. One round has ended. Nice. Ooh. Ugh. Am I leaderboard thing? Oh, the music. The music. Oh, but tick all that. I lost my hands. Oh my god, could you do that? Oh my god, my hands. Oh. So guys, I'll also be making a video today with Cheesecake Savage. So, oh, well, anyway, let's begin this. I don't like that noise. It sounds like a nuclear bomb thing, like one in, and it also sounds like skull. Not that bit's not scary, but still. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna go in here. Excuse me. Ah, finally done. What's that noise? I'm gonna run now. Okay, so we're basically in the middle of a UFO storm. That's what I'm gonna call it. Oh my, that was close. So basically we got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, oh god, oh yay, yay. It's gone to the water now, where it belongs. We seem to be on a farm. Great, I didn't survive the last time. Oh, a dragon? Are you kidding me? Oh, hide behind the bush. The bush. Oh, well, they're gone. Is he targeting me? Run! Ah, ah, fire! Ah, this isn't fair. Get behind my safe spot. No, we are gathered here to give them a memorial to Bush. Yeah, I saw. So it turns out there was only like one survivor. Why are they jumping? I want to jump. Oh, no, I jumped. I almost got there. I wonder if any maps are copyright. I wonder. There's a barn one looks familiar. It's gonna be a sky one, I know it. What? Oh, it's fire. Oh, um, does anyone know about this? I am trapped. Oh, I'm dying. I'm dead. I'm dead. I am dead. Oh god, I'm not dead. Oh, we are so dead. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. After this bit, we're dead. Dude, you're stupid. Don't go out there. No. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Well, let's go wrap up. We'll go. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Oh wow. I ended the video with a level up. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to me, please. As you all know, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.